This short video is going to show you how to arrange your assignments page. So I'm going to click on assignments right here. And I don't have any assignments in here yet. Instead, I'm going to add categories. Categories help you order the items on this page when you're creating assignments. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Categories. And I suggest following the same categories that you probably set up in your gradebook. So if you're weighting by percentages, I would follow those categories. If you're weighting by points, you don't have to set them up. Maybe you did, which I suggest because it helps you arrange your gradebook, but I would follow that same structure. So I'm going to put in papers, quizzes, presentations, exams, and participation. And I'm going to close. And so I don't see those categories there because I don't have assignments in there. Once assignments end up going in there, you're going to see it displayed in a different format, which I'll show you in a minute. So now that I have some assignments in here, you can see where it's like I have the category papers and paper 1 and paper 2 underneath, quizzes, quiz 1, 2, 3, and presentations. So this presents a nice view for students. I have it ordered by category. You could put it in an order by date. One of the things that I want you to notice here is like nobody can see this right now. I created my assignments, but nobody can see them. If I want to bulk edit that so they're visible, I can just click on the little icon there at the top, go up to more actions, make visible to users, and that makes all those assignments like visible. If I did want to reorder items on this page, I can go up to more actions again and reorder. And, I can reorder it by, the category. So papers is number 1, quizzes is number 2, or I can reorder it within that category as well. So for example, exam 2 is above exam 1. I should probably change that. So I'm going to change that to 1 and save. And then when I scroll back down, exam 1 is above exam 2. So creating categories in an assignments, and if you're doing online quizzing, creating categories is good as well. It just helps make those pages more organized. If I needed to do some other bulk editing, if I put a check mark in there and click on bulk edit, after I created those assignments, I could change all the due dates in here and the times if I wanted to. I could revisit the categories and change the categories. So you have some other features in editing if you need to do something. So setting up those categories ahead of time, once again, is going to save you a little bit of time. Thank you and have a good day.